Hi, I'm Parris, a member of House of Moru. Today I'm gonna show you my Spanish-inspired look. This was Parris. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, I'm Virginia Thick and I'm from New York City, and today we're going to create a face reveal look. I always start every look with a wig cap, but for this look we're going to add a bald cap. Now we're blocking our brows. I like to use a good old-fashioned glue stick, but the trick that I always like to do is a glue stick, then a powder, and I do that 3 times to get a nice smooth finish. Now that I have a clean surface, I like to create a new brow using a brow pencil and setting that with powder. For foundation, I like to start with a cream foundation, then top it off with a liquid for a nice smooth and shiny finish. The first time I got in drag, it took me over 4.5 hours to get ready. I was so nervous. I met a drag queen who ended up being my drag mom. and she was really kind, helped me calm down, and then she threw me up on stage and I did my first number that night. For this look, I'm using lots of natural colors. I like to start with a nice deep, rich brown in the creases and then blend that out with a nice golden color to keep the whole look looking nice and smooth. My favorite numbers to perform are the ones where I can just kind of let my emotions go and live in the moment and just share how I'm feeling inside with everyone at the bar or the club. Finishing touches, I like to add glitter to the cheeks and eyes, and also locking that down with a nice setting spray. I hope you guys like my face reveal look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Virginia Thick, and I'll see you next time.
Hi guys, it's Shego again. I'm gonna add my foundation right now, and don't forget to blend it well because then we're gonna add some concealer. I'm gonna add some white to it so it looks even more pale. After that, I will contour my cheeks, forehead, and chin. So now let's start with the eyes. I'm first up gonna draw on my white brows. And then I'm gonna set them up and I will add another white layer to it so it pops off even more. After that, I will contour down my nose to make it look snatched. My inspirations behind this look were Donatella Versace, Lady Gaga, and the most important thing of all, sex dolls. First I'm gonna take some eyeliner and I'm gonna make plenty of little dots and drops and lines. Just make it messy, it will look good. And now I'm gonna add the star of the look, the huge lip prosthetic. Don't forget to follow me at Official Shego on Instagram. And well, see you guys in your nightmares. Bye.
control. I don't wanna hide from you. I found what I'm looking for.
Staring in your eyes, boy, I can't let this feeling go. I don't wanna hide from you. I found what I'm looking for. Oh, I can't let this feeling go. Yeah, I want it to last forever. Now that we're together. 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 Yeah. Wanna have a good time with you. You're the reason I can't shake this feeling. I know that you're feeling it too. Wanna have a good time. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. This is all I'm asking of you. Wanna have a good time with you.
Hi guys, I'm Shego and this is my tutorial. I will glue down some cotton to give it more volume. I'm going to repeat this process at least 3 times until I have the volume I want. I will also add some more liquid latex and cotton all over my face to have a lot of texture, but not too much. Since you want to get that extreme plastic surgery vibe, don't forget to add huge lips. Now I'm adding the foundation, and don't worry, I know it looks very brown. But now I'm gonna add some white on the highlights of my face to balance out the colors. You don't want to be looking like a ghost, so don't forget to take off all of the excess powder. I'm also adding a little bit of black under the cheeks to give it that exaggerated feel. This is a very important part. You have to add a lot of highlighter to give it more volume. My inspiration behind this look were, of course, Amanda Lepore and Jessica Rabbit, so don't forget the huge red lips. First up, I'm gonna line the lips and then I will fill them in. I will add some darker reds and blacks. I'm also adding some white on the center of the lips. So now I'm gonna draw on the crease. I'm first up gonna put some brown and then some black to give it more definition. I'm now adding some blue to the crease because I like the contrast between the heat and the cold, so red and blue, you get it. You're gonna have to use different blues and different whites. I gotta make the old woman look flawless and glamorous, so I'm adding some glitter, of course. Listen, the woman is old and Botox cannot fix everything. So she's kind of melting. So that's why one of the eyes is kind of bigger than the other, because it's like falling down. Do not forget the lashes. And to finish up the look, I will add my white wig and my outfit with these huge ass boobs. Don't worry, I'm not shaming anybody. I love plastic surgery. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Studio and of course me, official Shego on Instagram. You will be obsessed with me, trust me. Bye! Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.